Hello everybody, this is Mr. Leff, and I wanted to give you a quick video about using the video sensing feature in Scratch. So I've opened up a Scratch project here, and what I need to do is add the video sensing option. So I'm going to go to the lower right hand corner and click on this button, which is Add Extensions. I go to Video Sensing, and what you'll see is that it's adding a video sensing menu to my list of options for Scratch blocks. If I click on that, I get a few video sensing blocks. Now I'm going to tell my code to turn video on, and what that does is instead of showing me a background, it's showing me my webcam as well, and I have a webcam aiming down at the table. And what I've done is I've created a maze out of Lego blocks. And the computer doesn't care what it is as long as it's seeing some different colors. So I've turned my video on, and I've created and you can, that's it. I've selected a ball for this opportunity because moving around the maze, I didn't want to catch on anything like an arm or a tentacle sticking out. And if I go to the ball, I've decided to put an arrow on top of it that I drew so that I can tell which direction the ball is facing, because otherwise a ball doesn't really have direction. I've told my ball to go to the center of the screen so that I don't lose it. And I've simply said, if key arrow up is pressed, then point in direction 0. Now if I go over here to directions, you'll see that 0 is straight up. Right is 90 degrees, backwards down is 180 degrees, and actually to the left is negative 90 degrees. Okay, and you can see that as I do that, my ball in the center of the screen is moving, or it's spinning. That doesn't matter. When I press the up arrow, I'm going to point in direction 0, which is up. When I press down, I'll point in direction 180. When I press right, I'll point in direction 90. And when I press left, I'll point in direction negative 90, which is to the left. So my arrow will have direction. Now for movement, I made this separate code just to keep them separate and simple. If I press the space key, I'm going to tell my ball to move forward, whatever direction it's facing. But nested in that if, inside this bigger if, is this one that says if touching color black, move -5 steps. So when I press the space, I'm going to try to move forward, but if I'm touching black, I'm going to move backwards at the same time, which will mean I don't go anywhere. So I won't be able to pass through the black walls. Well, let's try this now. Okay, I'm going to press the green flag, and I'm going to press my arrows, and you'll see when I press my arrows, my ball turns, but if I press the space key, my ball moves forward. And you'll see that if I crash into the walls of Legos, I can't go anywhere. So now I have a game using a real life maze. I can touch it, but my virtual ball is trying to travel around it. Think about all the cool little games that you can do using the video sensing feature in Scratch. Good luck.